Jumped again. Hi, I'm Iman Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 3 p.m. Pakistan says growing support for its Mid-East war talks plan. Pakistan said on Sunday that it was ready to broker and host meaningful talks between the United States and Iran to bring an end to their war, outlining growing support for its peace efforts, including from the United Nations and China. President Zardari urged action to reduce food waste on Zero Waste Day. On the occasion of World Zero Waste Day, President Asif Ali Zardari called food waste a serious national issue and emphasized the need to make this reduction a practical priority at all levels. President Zardari stated that this year's focus of World Zero Waste Day is on food loss, which is a critical issue connected to the daily lives of the ordinary citizens. Maryam Nawaz urged citizens to adopt zero waste practices. Punjab Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif said that keeping the planet free from pollution is a shared responsibility. On the occasion of World Zero Waste Day, she emphasized the importance of public level measures to reduce waste and protect the environment, urging every citizen to avoid the use of plastic. PM Shehbaz determined to bring Iran to the negotiating table. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has said that the efforts are being made to bring Iran and joint states to the negotiation table. In a message posted on the social media platform X, he stated that Pakistan is striving to play a role in facilitating dialogue between Iran and the United States, adding that collective efforts are essential for the immediate de-escalation of the tensions in the region. G7 ministers set to tackle financial fallout of Middle East war. Ministers from the G7 will hold talks on Monday to unpack the economic consequences of the war in the Middle East, the French government said as oil and gas prices continue to soar. The United States and Israel launched strikes on Iran in late February, and Tehran has said back by the target including 14 countries in the region and halting shipments through the Gulf. Gold jumps by rupees 3,900 to 4,75,962 per tola. Prices of gold and silver have once again risen in both global and local markets, pushing the precious metals to new high. In Pakistan, the price of 24-carat gold per tola increased by 3,900, reaching rupees 4,75,962 per tola. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.